Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking the composition frame rate, resolution, and shutter angle because these determine blur behavior. Once done, enable motion blur for the composition and for the target layer so After Effects will calculate per frame blending. Duplicate the problem layer as a non-blurred reference and set timer map with a couple of hold points to analyze motion edges. Make sure to preview at full motion resolution. This reveals whether blur is sampling or temporal, which directs the next corrections. Now refine blur by adjusting shutter angle, reduce it if the image is smeared, increase it for organic trails. This changes how After Effects synthesizes frames. If that's insufficient, apply pixel motion blur or CC force motion blur to calculate per pixel motion. These plugins resample temporal neighborhoods to fix stutters. For complex 3D or motion track shots, import or render motion vectors from your 3D application and composite them with a vector. Finish by pre-rendering sections to confirm blur quality in your final codec and target frame rate. Real playback often reveals problems not seen in RAM previews. Make sure frame blending is enabled only where necessary and feather masks around moving edges to prevent haloing. If you still see artifacts, reduce the shutter angle, increase samples in pixel motion blur, or perform targeted manual roto and motion path correction. This trades automation for control and usually eliminates persistent ghosting or smeared highlights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.